If anyone, some of you I know got up to this point the other day. All right. Okay, you ready, Makama?
Wait, this is page
I know you taped up to the first two pages.
What's the deltoid again? That's
Deltoid, the flap here. This is the acromiodeltoid. It's in a triangle shape. And the oval is the spinal deltoid. Okay, now we're going to do the arm muscles. All right, let me wait till everyone's set. Ready? Okay, everyone ready? Okay, so first you have to know all three heads of the triceps brachii. This is the long head. This is the lateral head on the side of the arm. So you have the long head, the lateral head.
Lateral head is on both sides?
No, only the long. The long goes through to the other side. So you should be able to see the long head on both sides. Here's the long head. See, if I put a probe through, you can see it on this view, medial view, and the lateral view. So you have to recognize the long head of the triceps brachii on both sides of the arm. And if I ask you any of the triceps brachii, you have to indicate which head, long, lateral, or medial. If you just write triceps brachii, you'll lose half credit. Okay, so this is the long head. This is the lateral head on the side of the arm. Now you might remember there was a superficial muscle in the cat covering the medial side of the arm. The superficial muscle is called the epitrochlearis. All right, anytime you see epi, you know it's on the surface, right, like the epidermis. All right, these are nerves here, the brachial plexus. And if you look under the nerves, you can see the medial head of the triceps brachii. Okay, see here, this is the medial head.
That's the third head.
That's the third head. So you have the long, lateral, long on both sides, and then the medial on the inner part of the arm here. It's usually under the nerves of the brachial plexus. Now if you look here on the anterior medial side of the arm, next to the medial head is the biceps brachii. This big muscle here is the biceps brachii. I don't know if you can see. You can move some of these. You can move them away if it's. This is the biceps brachii. Right, biceps brachii is a very thick muscle. Right, and then on the other side, next to the lateral head, you have the brachialis. So the two big muscles on the anterior surface of the humerus are the brachialis, which is lateral. This is the brachialis that the probe is running under. Okay, and then you have on the medial side the big flexor muscle, right? Like when people make a muscle, right? That's the biceps brachii. And in between these two muscles, you can actually feel the humerus bone. Okay. Okay, so again, biceps brachii, brachialis, long head of the triceps brachii, lateral head of the triceps brachii, long head again, it goes through to both sides, epitrochlearis, the superficial muscle covering the medial side, and underneath the epitrochlearis, you can see the medial head of the triceps brachii, which is under the probe here. Okay. For the forearm, I'm going to have to turn them on. I don't know if you